What's up, everybody? Here's a watch list for you guys. Friday, March 31st, 2023. This will work for. EVGO is first up. EVGO, 706 a share. Earnings drop, and they had earnings per share and sales beats. Next on the list, we got DMS, Digital Media Solutions, $1.15 a share. Earnings are coming in pre-market tomorrow morning. And that's DMS. Next up, CXM. We got Sprinkler Incorporated Company. Currently $12.68 a share. Earnings per share and sales beats on their earnings release. FLNC is next. Fluence Energy, 1901 a share. Goldman Sachs upgrades them to buy with a price target of $29. Susquehanna rates them neutral with an $18 price target for FLNC. Next up, FREY, FREY, FREY battery, currently at $8.91 a share. Second day on the list, possible partnership with some major companies, including Caterpillar, for their battery technologies. Next up, we got Bolt. Bolt earnings per share and sales beats on the earnings release. H.C. Wainwright labels them a buy with an $8 price target, $1.31 currently. Next up, we got PYXS. PYXS Oncology, currently at $6.18 a share. This company was on the list yesterday. Today they got halted to the upside around here. And last week, Credit Suisse rated them outperform rating with a $14 price target. That's PYXS. Next up, EBS. EBS, Emergent Biosolutions, $10.12 a share. FDA approved their narcan spray for over-the-counter purchases. Currently $10.12 a share, and that's EBS. Next up, VKTX, Viking Therapeutics, $17.44 a share. Third day on the list. The company decided to sell shares at $14.50 a share. Kind of sucks for people trying to get involved because that means that's like $3 lower than where it is right now. Not good for Viking traders there. Analysts are mostly labeling Viking at outperforms and buy ratings. Next up, AMPX. I like this one here, $8.69 a share. On the list previously, the 5-day consolidation pattern here is getting a breakout, and IPO levels are in play, possibly targeting the $9 to $10 range. $9 to $10 range for the IPO moves. Open and closes, I should say. Next up, PALI, PALI, Palisade Bio, $3.40 a share. Reclaimed the 50-day moving average here, you can see. And Maxim rated them a buy with a $50 price target for some reason. Next up, SCYX, SCYX, developing, $3.02 a share. SCYX is developing a fungal treatment with GSK company, and they've been on the list previously a couple of times. Next up, ACHV, ACHV, currently $6.25 a share. Announced the 3 open board position members are placed in now, and they've been on the list previously as well, with some continuation moves, breakouts as well. PPSI, Pioneer Power Solutions, $3.33 a share. Earnings drop, earnings per share beats, sales miss, and they did claim here the 50-day moving average. That's okay to say a claim. That was a strong claim there. AQN, next up, Algonquin Power and Utility, $8.55 a share. for AQN. Last week, Credit Suisse listed them outperform with a $10 price target, and Wells Fargo rates them overweight with $9.50 price target. Next up, IHS. IHS Holding, $8.53 a share. Goldman rated them buy, maintains the buy rating with a $14 price target. Next up, Rumble, RUM, $10.85 a share. IPO levels are in play here. Shortly, not yet, but actually soon, if this breaks out one more time. Sales beat estimates by double for Rumble. Next up, TPST. Tempest Therapeutics, second day on the list here, coming in at $2.97 a share. And next we'll look at AMGN, $241 a share. On the list 3 or 4 times now. They claimed the 50-day moving average here slightly, just barely, but they did. And they have a $10 billion tax bill that they're possibly getting sued for. Intel is next on the list. Intel Corporation, INTC, $32 a share. Continuation and consolidation above the 200-day moving average. Right there. UNH hit more lows, but bounces back strong. Noteworthy move on the day. And they're at $470 a share. My guess for UNH was that this is possible pressures coming from the drug pricing, government pressure, or legislations, you could call it. Next up, Boeing, BA. Boeing is at $210.76 a share. They reclaimed the major trend line here, you can see again. And possible targets, if bullish, $213 a share, $215 a share, and $218 in my eyes. Next up, Airbnb. Airbnb, $122.35 a share. Bouncing off the 50-day moving average pretty strongly with some good volume coming in. And possibly targeting $124, $125 range next. And next up, we got ILMN, Illumina. Yeah. Currently $225.26 a share. Carl Icahn is literally battling the company to get his people in the board seats and restructure things, I think. I think this is a hostile takeover. I'm not sure. He's an activist investor trying to get involved without permission. Sort of weird. All right, CrowdStrike next up. CRWD. This one's a good one, possibly aiming for the 200-day moving average after this pullback. Currently at $131.50 a share. Breakout above 140, 139. We'll be aiming towards 145, give or take. I was thinking a call debit spread will work for CrowdStrike. That's it for the list because I did it this way. It was very quick, but that was a huge list blasted at you. Hopefully you enjoy. Hopefully you could pause pretty strongly if you see something you like there. But the reason I did it was because I just recorded a 20-minute video fully explaining every stock and had the wrong screen recording. Typical me. But anyways, thanks for checking in with another watch list. Have a good Friday trading day and have a good weekend. I'll catch you on another list. God bless you guys. Thank you very much. Take it easy.